I want to show you how to use this tint kit by Renata Beauty. This was gifted to me. I have chosen the color that best matches sort of the color I've got. I do have some color and highlights, but you've got roots coming in as you get older. I do have gray hairs every now and then. This is going to be a much easier way just to be able to touch things up myself. I'm going to show you how to use it and what the end result looks like. So what you get in the box is everything that you are going to need. We have an instruction book for you. You've got like a little sort of brush to be able to paint it on, or that end for running it through your hair. And then we've got a little mixing tray, because the idea is that you're just doing touch-ups. You're not doing, a full head of hair. You don't need a ton, okay? So here's your cream tint, which I have chosen in the light brown, and your developer. It's recommended you test a small section first, but when you are ready to develop and to use it, okay, you're gonna use the lid, the cap. So that you see the cap has this kind of pointy end in it. You're just gonna flip the cap over and puncture there we go, like so. And that punctures the hole to get it out. And then all you do is you mix an equal amount of the tint cream, which is this, and the developer, okay? So an equal amount of both. Take them, mix them together. So all you do is you find those kind of gray hairs. I'm just gonna target. The nice thing is that it is designed for targeted areas, not necessarily large areas, because the gray hairs that I have that pop up are just random here and there. So it's nice that you can just put a little bit on to cover them, and it's designed just to target them. Okay, so once you have got it covered in and everything that you can sort of see and everywhere you want to touch up, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and we'll rinse it out. So after having washed it out, dried it, and I was looking through for those kind of just shiny little gray hairs, and I do not see any. So this is not intended to lighten your hair by any means. So if you have like dark roots growing out, like you can see I have highlights. If you have dark roots growing out, this is not intended as a highlighter to lighten those roots or touch up roots by any means to make them lighter. If you have sort of grays growing out and you want to match your natural color, that's what this is for, okay? So those grays will really help. This will really help hide those grays. It's a really quick fix. Didn't take long at all. Again, I didn't mix very much, as you saw. It was just a very small amount just to kind of show you, because I just have a few grays I need to touch up. If you have larger grays or more area, this would be perfect. Again, not very long at all. Leave it on 10-15 minutes, go shower, wash your hair, and you are good to go. So I hope this helped.